To capture the growing demand for robots around the world, different types of robots, can be mobile robots, drones, or humanoid robots. Advantech is very proud to work with ecosystem partners to provide integrated solutions in front of robotic manufacturers. These partners are sensor providers, for example, different types of cameras providers, IMU providers, LiDAR makers, and of course, we want them to be integrated with our dedicated robotic controllers. There is a wide range of robotic controllers coming into different computing platforms and form factors, and they are also integrated with wireless communication modules and display modules. On top of that, we work with software vendors and system integrators in every region around the world to tackle customers' operational challenges. In addition, Advantech is a member of Open Source Robotic Alliance, which is the governance body of ROS. We are also a member of AutoWare Foundation, which provides open source autonomous driving software for vehicle manufacturers. We're very pleased to showcase two live demos of two types of robots. On my right-hand side, that's a collaborative robot, which consists of a robotic arm and a mobile robot. This is perfect for production line or some kind of manufacturing sites. And this is definitely AI powered. We can integrate with digital twins, for example, NVIDIA's Omniverse, to make sure that the robots can adapt to different scenarios very quickly. And besides it, it's the most trending robo-dog or quadruped or kind of humanoid robots. There are Advantech embedded computers or robotic controllers on top of these robo-dogs. They are perfect for surveillance or working in dangerous areas where human beings are not encouraged to work. And finally, if you want to jumpstart your first robotic use case, or you want to try out the most advanced MIPI cameras with Advantech controllers, you are most advised to get one set of this development kit with all the accessories and 4 MIPI or GMSO cameras.